Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get better at Claude Code with one simple command. Let me break it down for you. Now, Claude Code has many commands. Most of them are hidden to the user, a few are not very useful, but today I'm going to show you one of the most useful ones, which is called Insights. Now, Insights allows you to create a report that takes into account all of the chat sessions that you had with Claude Code within the last 30 days. Then that report will give you actionable insights that you can implement in your Claude Code to make sure you get the best experience possible. You can use this either on the desktop application like I will do, on the terminal, or on the extension. Now, to be able to run the command, the only thing that you have to do is type /insights. As you can see, it's quote unquote pre-installed in Claude Code. So once you send this away, Claude Code would actually analyze all of your sessions and then come back to you with that report. Afterwards, you're going to open it and it will tell you exactly what you need to do to be able to improve your experience. So Claude Code has many ways of being customized. First, you have the Claude.md file, then you have hooks, then you have custom commands and skills. So there's really a lot of options. It's very hard for you to be able to nail that personalization within the first time that you do it. Now, generating this report usually takes a couple of seconds or a few minutes, depending on how advanced of a user you are. And also, the reasoning level of the model that you use to create this report also takes into account. So, for example, right here, I am using Opus 4.8 on the high setting. So it just took about a minute. Now, because we're using AI, I can simply ask it to open it. Now, Claude is going to open that report and we're going to have a look at it. So as you can see, it gives you at a glance section, which tells you how you currently operate with Cloud Code. It tells you what's working, what's hindering you, the quick wins that you have, as well as the most ambitious workflows. So this is something that you're going to be that you're going to be setting up probably within a few months. But other than that, right here you can simply click on whichever section that you want and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. So for example, right here, it analyzed that whenever I actually use Cloud Code, there's a few errors with the scripts that I create. There are some memory-based answers that Cloud Code is not verifying. And also my workflows are hitting limits. So on the Claude.md suggestions, it tells me exactly what I need to put inside of that report and inside of that file to be able to change that behavior of Cloud Code. There's things that you can copy and you can put manually inside of your Claude.md, or you can simply ask Claude Code to read the entire report with you and then do the modifications one by one. Here, I have custom skills that I can create. I have MCP servers that I can install because Claude Code detected that I'm using some software. So for example, in this case, it's Notion, but I don't have the MCP server for it yet. It also gives me detail on how I could start using Cloud Code for other types of use cases, but this is more for the future. Already, if you simply have a look at this report, you will know exactly what you need to do to fix the problems that you're having with the current use cases that you're treating. Remember, you can simply tell Cloud Code to read this report alongside with you, and you'll be able to implement all of the modifications as necessary. I personally do this once a week because that way I have enough data for me to really have some meat in there that we actually can read through. Don't bother doing this every single day unless you're a very new beginner that really wants to have some guardrails. Now, this is everything that I had to show you today. Make sure to go ahead and check out your /insight skill. Let me know how you can keep improving the usage of Cloud Code. And I'll catch you later.